In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Yahoo Mail using computer. Start by making sure you're already in Yahoo Mail on your computer's web browser. You should be looking at your inbox or any mail folder. Keep your focus on the top right corner of the page. That's where your account controls live, and it's the place you'll use to sign out safely. Look for your profile area in the upper right. It usually appears as a small circle with your photo, your initials, or a generic silhouette icon. Click that icon once. If your window is very narrow or zoomed in, you might not see the full label, but the circular avatar will still be there. If needed, enlarge the window or set your browser zoom to 100% so the menu displays properly. After clicking, a small account panel will open. In some layouts, you may see a compact card first. Clicking your profile within that card can expand it to show more options. You're looking for the sign out option in this panel. It's typically located near the bottom, beneath any account details or quick links. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct panel that shows your account name or initials so you know you're signing out of the current session. Now click Sign Out. Yahoo Mail will close your session and redirect you to a sign-in screen or a confirmation page. That's your signal that the logout was successful. If you had Yahoo Mail open in multiple tabs, refresh those tabs to reflect the signed out state. This is especially useful if you're using shared or public computers. If you use more than one Yahoo account on the same browser, the panel may also show additional accounts. In that case, you may see options to sign out of a specific account or to sign out of all accounts. Choose what fits your situation. For privacy, on shared devices, it's a good practice to sign out completely and close the browser window when you're done. Next time you sign in, consider turning off any Stay Signed In or Remember Me option if others use the same computer. If the profile icon doesn't appear or the menu won't open, try refreshing the page, temporarily disabling any aggressive ad or script blockers, or switching to another up-to-date browser. Also ensure you're on the main mail page rather than a pop-up compose window. That's it. Quick, clean, and secure. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to log out of Yahoo Mail on your computer.